I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. If you find these systems a struggle, remember PD Tech offers full-service bookkeeping tailored for NZ trades.
Watch this video to learn how to set up tracking categories and tracking options to get better business insights. Click Accounting. Then select Accounting Settings. Then click Tracking Categories. Use tracking categories to see how different areas of your business are performing. Once you've added tracking categories, you'll be able to use them in sales and purchase transactions, budgets, contacts, and more. You can have a maximum of 4 tracking categories in total, but only 2 can be active at any time. Each tracking category can have multiple tracking options. For example, we have a tracking category set up called Region to track expenses by different locations. The different regions we are tracking are East Side, North, South, and West Coast. To set up a tracking category, click Add Tracking Category. A category needs at least one tracking option to assign tracking to a transaction. First, give your tracking category a category name. Let's call this tracking category Stores. Next, enter the tracking category options. We'll add online and physical to track our stores so we can compare their revenue. You can add up to 100 options for each tracking category. Once you've added all of your options, click Save. To edit an existing tracking category, click the Category Name tab, then click Rename or Add another option. To delete a tracking category or option, click the cross to remove it. If you've used a tracking category or option to allocate transactions, Xero will archive it instead. Click the Archived tab to view your archived tracking categories or options. Click Restore to make them active again. Now you're ready to set up tracking categories in Xero.